1 second. Just stay still. Just a second. Oh my gosh. That's good enough. Ouch! He loves it. Ow. Ow. Oh, look. Ouch. Oh gosh.
Aww. See, go look behind you.
You okay? Been staring at the ceiling for about 15 minutes.
I guess I really don't want to stop this. Oh my God. You're crazy. You're kid. Ow! Ouch! I'm just gonna stand up. Ouch. Whoa. If your cat is crazy, and if you have a cat and it's crazy, just do this. See, watch. It works. Works to everything. Oh my gosh. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Oh my gosh, I'm so far away. Ouch. Stop it. Mm. She doesn't have to catch your finger, so. Oh my gosh. Ooh, you scratched me. 1 second. Right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Cool. Look at the little devious face. Oh my gosh, you scared the cat away. I was talking when that. Oh gosh! Don't try this at home. Don't spin on the chair. Knock it off! I'm gonna fall.
That's number one rule, be the kid. That's the number one rule, be the grown up. That's what they always say. Never stand on a spinning chair. Standing on a spinning chair is more fun though.
Sitting or standing?
Standing.
Dude, I can't do this no more. Stop it. Turning toward the kitty. You see it? Okay.
Tell me which way to go.
Oh my gosh! She came so close! Okay, if you guys like my crazy cat video, give me a thumbs up. What does a thumbs up look like, me, huh? Looks like that. So give it or I will find you.